Aku por waklat ke Bynta te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengka. Tang bopet Bynta buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke cing car am. Tip syuk kan long kom no lah dah. Yap sama no mana ni.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu Pynbna am katong manlong kita kinong Shad hagi hotel dan hagi restoran ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kejongpi. Ke admission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Meghalaya Social Programs Welfare Development Organisation ringkat ke Jingïakob ber ke All Meghalaya Dancers Association kin pelong ya ke Jingïakob Shad ber ya ke Jingïakob Rwai na ke Bynta ki Khynnah Skul ke banlong ha ke shitarik unailar arta pun rio na do ke porshi pobaji Mspwdo ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong. Ha kini ki artli ke Jingïakob la sha bani Bynta tangi Khynnah Skul ki berang puli na do ke class 6 ha do ke class 12.
Kita berada di kemen nomor kali kesin ke Bengkong ke Bangilaban. Ni bahaya lah penterlong yang kena ke school bro sekap tu ni long bagi program Meghalaya swasta bagi we tiada hadian bagi jenis meeting jungi nak kalian Mspwdo baka Amda All Meghalaya Dancers ni perkat ba ngin pelong nak kali ke school ke jinglong jing tu jungi bat pelong yang kini kalau bagian banyo ke platform jadi kena student bat ni iru ba ngaju dai sabaru ngai bagi ni inter school ki bon ba kau silek Kolkata Bugahoti dan keleng-keleng pusik long yang dekat school. Teling ba ni platform nila ban pek kan kena Shad padan sub apa school Meghalaya jungi Rwai. Dan nila ban pek tu nama ngila dan ki pemwan tu la ngilet dekat school pat away galong ke program tu ke school bat away tu galong ke jing promotion nam ta jungki. Pat ka ngidam tu kan ni ki form ki bangla penbiang bat ki dan do ki guide rule and regulation baki haban fill baki pendap bat nada ki ba sa cha chenga ki bamyo ban ayu ya ka form kila ban kontak yangi bat ni sapha ai ka form ni ba ka whatsapp number shar ya ka dancing tikin dei bena ba ni ban lam na ba kanong khuai no ten dei ki ba ki Rwai ki dan na sani ki nong Rwai ki dan na sani ki ba kham long pau mo kita ke selalu ki judge ki ba mi kmat ba ni po Meghalaya chu la de ki nong Rwai ba mi kmat ba te ki selalu judge
collaboration with us. So we are happy to announce you all the schools from Meghalaya and the student as well that we organized this inter-school dancing and singing. It's our aim to an objective is to encourage and bring the platform of all students in Meghalaya. So I requested all the school if you have any students that have the talented, so you can send the video. Then that the number will be available on the screen and in the poster as well. So first of all, on that day they will have the awareness program regarding of drug substance abuse. Second is HIV and drugs, and third is child right and protection. And our organization was established in 2007. We are registered with the government, and our motto is to protect the human right. So we are working many activities like awareness program since 2010 up to 2025. Thank you.
Khynnah real art, real art, Southern sound real. That's a way over. Lie away, Khynnah lie, South Khynnah art lie. Kini kontak nama pendapat pensiun di form nama kontak ini nombor. Dan ini berpahaya di video online itu. Akhirnya nombor itu berpahaya.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.